Hi everyone, and welcome to our farm. I'm so excited to show you all my best friends. Come on, let's go. This right here is Daisy. She's our cow, and she gives us yummy milk every single morning. She loves it when I scratch her behind the ears. See, over here are my chickens. Cluck, cluck, cluck. There's Henrietta, Pecky, and ... where's Rocky? Oh, there he is. They lay the best eggs for our breakfast. And last but not least, this is Wilbur, my pig. He loves rolling in the mud to stay cool, and he's super smart. Isn't he the cutest? Taking care of them is a big job, but it's the best job ever. Thanks for visiting my farm today. If you want to see more of my animal friends, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. Bye.